How to fix disabled Instagram ad account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Instagram. Then go to your profile. After that, go to menu bar. Go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and go to help. Then go to support requests. Then go to violations. Then if you have any violations, it will be shown over here and it will also give you the reason for your account being disabled. If there are any violations, there will also be a form where you have to fill it and tell them to fix your account or your ad account. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.